Hey, welcome to the Explainer. You know, there are some words that just seem to pop up everywhere, on your feed, in music, all over the place. And today, we're going to dive deep into one of those words, one that's become the ultimate stamp of approval.
And that word? It's slay. I mean, you've seen it, right? It's in the comments section, it's all over songs. It's become more than just a compliment. It feels like a real badge of honor.
But what are we really saying when we use it? What's the secret sauce that gives it so much power? Well, that's what we're here to do. Let's break it down.
Okay, so part one. The first and maybe most foundational piece of the slay puzzle is all about winning. Just pure, undeniable victory, the end result.
And when you look at the definition, the first part couldn't be more straightforward. To succeed. That's it. It's about one thing and one thing only, crossing that finish line.
So, at its very core, to slay just means to win, to achieve exactly what you set out to do. It's not so much about the journey or the struggle, it's all about that conquest. The successful outcome is what gets you the slay.
Okay, but it's not just about winning, is it? It's also about how you get that win. And that brings us to our second part, the performance, the actual execution of it all.
Now, I want you to really focus on a key word here, exceptionally. See, it's not enough to just do a good job. That one word, exceptionally, just raises the bar completely. And you know, that really points to its history, coming from cultures where you had to be way more than just good to even get noticed. This is all about total mastery. Think about it. It's the difference between someone just playing a song and an artist who completely owns the stage. It's that kind of flawless, almost effortless performance that just makes everyone in the room stop what they're doing and watch. You just can't look away.
All right, so we've got the result, success, and we've got the action, performing exceptionally well. But there's a third piece to this, and it's a big one. This one has nothing to do with what you do, and everything to do with how you look.
And there it is. To look amazing. This is where the meaning totally pivots away from action and dives right into aesthetics, into the sheer power of how you present yourself to the world. We're talking about putting together a look that is so striking, it just sticks with you. It's that perfect combination of style, confidence, the whole package, a visual statement that is, honestly, a win all on its own.
Okay, let's recap. We have success, we have performance, and we have appearance. On the surface, they feel kind of different, don't they? You've got results, you've got skill, and you've got style. But there's something, a common thread that weaves them all together.
So that really begs the question, right? What is slay really all about? Is it what you achieve, or is it the image you project?
And the answer is, well, it's both. The word covers this huge spectrum, from a real, tangible accomplishment all the way over to just a stunning presentation. It celebrates excellence in your actions and in your appearance.
And that common thread we were talking about, it's undeniable excellence. It doesn't matter if it's a project you just finished, a performance you gave, or an outfit you put on. The result is just so good, there's no arguing with it. It basically silences any and all criticism.
Which brings us right back around to the full picture. To slay is to succeed, to perform exceptionally well, or to look amazing. It's so versatile because in the cultures where this word grew up, all three of those things were powerful ways to show up, to assert your presence, and to claim your worth.
So you've got this one simple word, but it holds three totally powerful ideas of what excellence really means. And that's why it's become such a huge part of how we talk today. It's the ultimate shortcut for describing something that's at the absolute peak, no matter what it is.
And that leaves me with one last question for you. We've just spent all this time unpacking slay, but I'm curious, what's the word you use? You know, when something is just undeniably excellent. What's your go-to? Anyway, thanks for joining me for this explainer.